Hello everyone. Today's lecture is on probability and non-probability sampling. As researchers, we often need to collect data to study a particular phenomenon or to make informed decisions. However, gathering data from an entire population is not always feasible, and that is where sampling techniques come into play. So let's first understand what is sampling. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of individuals or data points from a larger population to represent the whole population. This process can help us make accurate and reliable inferences about the population. Now let's dive into the two main types of sampling techniques: probability and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling is a sampling method where each member of the population has an equal chance or probability of being selected for the sample. In this method, every individual has a known and non-zero chance of being included in the sample. Examples of probability sampling techniques include simple random sampling, systematic sampling, and stratified sampling. Simple random sampling is the most basic form of probability sampling, wherein each member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. This method is often used in situations where the population is small and homogeneous. Systematic sampling is a method of probability sampling where the selection of individuals for the sample is based on a predetermined pattern. For example, every 10th person on a list is selected for the sample. Stratified sampling is a technique where the population is divided into subgroups called strata, and then a random sample is taken from each stratum. This method ensures that the sample is representative of the population. On the other hand, non-probability sampling techniques do not rely on random selection and involve non-random methods such as convenience sampling and purposive sampling. Convenience sampling is a method where the researcher selects individuals who are readily available and convenient for the study. This method is often used because of its ease and low cost but can lead to biased results. Purposive sampling, also known as judgmental sampling, is a technique where the researcher handpicks individuals based on specific characteristics or knowledge about the population. This method is used when the researcher wants to study a particular subgroup of the population. If you like this video, then please subscribe this channel.